Today we're gonna be hearing EAS alarms from different countries. Let's start with the South Korean EAS alarm. Just sounds like something where your computer is broken down. 1 out of 10. Now, Germany. I gotta say, Germany is very good. It's a banger. All the Germans over here just vibing. 10 out of 10. Like it. Third, the Indian EAS alarm. One out of 10. It's kind of Frisian. Last but not least, the Poland EAS alarm. I don't know how to pronounce it, but let's hear it. This alarm's from 1939. Let's just hear it. I do not want to hear that sound again. If I hear that sound, I'm going all the way to Canada, to Africa, to Asia, and back to North America, and I want to just not hear that sound because it's kind of scary. And I wish this alarm from 1939 didn't exist, but that's all the EAS alarms. Hope you guys have a great day. Bye.